Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Elastic for security analytics and dashboards, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Elastic login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to that page. Once the page loads, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct for accuracy. Locate and click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. In case of an error, review the entered information. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Explore the available security analytics options clearly displayed. Utilize the search bar for specific queries or data insights. To access different dashboards, navigate using the sidebar menu. Keep your session secure by logging out when finished. Remember to clear your browser cache regularly for improved performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.